Hi fellas, this is Chemaddcts again to the solution. Welcome back to my another video tutorial. Well, today, today we're gonna study mechanics. Okay, today we're gonna solve a problem related to projectiles, and we're gonna discuss uh, some of the basic concepts regarding this problem. I hope that you will find it helpful. Okay, so let's get started. Well, this question says a particle is projected from a point U, which is 21 meter per second, at an angle of elevation alpha and moves freely under gravity. When the particle has moved a horizontal distance x meter, its height above the point of projection is y meter. Well, A. Show that y is equals to x tan alpha minus x square divided by 90 cos square alpha. That means we need to show that y is equals to this. Okay. In B it says, given that y is equals to 8.1 when x equals to 36, find the value of tan alpha. Well, we're gonna solve A here. A in this video tutorial. We're gonna solve A in this video tutorial today. Okay. So B will be in the other part. So before solving A, let us at first analyze this question. Okay, let us first analyze this question. So let us find the information that are given in this question. So here speed is one piece of information given here. So this speed is initial speed, which is u. Here the other information is given: angle of elevation, moves freely under gravity. It is another piece of information, and we will discuss it later. Okay, we'll discuss about this later. When the particle has moved a horizontal distance x, its height above the point of position is y meter. So horizontal distance x is another piece of information. Projection is y meter. This is another piece of information. Okay. So at first let us know what does it mean. What does moves freely under gravity means? So this means that the only force that is acting here is G, or in other words gravitational acceleration. So there is no other force besides gravitational acceleration. Okay. So this means that we have only the vertical component of force, which is gravity. So gravity is the vertical component of this force, and we have no horizontal component of force. Okay, we have no horizontal force, we have only vertical force. Okay, no horizontal force. No horizontal force. Okay. No horizontal force. So now let us talk about these things. Okay, what is meant by horizontal distance and what is meant by projection y meter. Okay, so as you can see in this diagram, y is the horizontal component of displacement. Horizontal displacement is y, and extremely sorry, sometimes I get confused about what is horizontal and what is vertical. So let me write this down at first, then let us discuss about this later on. Okay, horizontal. It's really confusing which is horizontal and which is vertical. It's really confusing for me. So this is vertical. Okay, Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, so now let us talk about this matter. So the vertical component of displacement, or vertical displacement, is y, and the horizontal displacement is x. Okay, fine. Okay, the vertical displacement is y and the horizontal displacement is x. Okay, I hope that I have cleared your confusion. Okay, so horizontal displacement is this one, and the vertical displacement is y. That means when there is a vertical displacement y, there should be a horizontal displacement x respectively. Okay, I hope that you have got it clear. So now let us get back to the solution. So here is the diagram of this question. Okay, so this should be the diagram for this question. So I hope that you got it clear. Now let us resolve separately. Okay, now let us resolve separately. So we're gonna resolve velocity vertically and horizontally. So the vertical component of velocity should be u sine theta, which is 21 sine alpha. Sorry, u sine alpha is equals to 21 sine alpha. And the horizontal component of velocity should be 21 cos alpha. U cos alpha is the horizontal component of velocity, which is here is 21 cos alpha. And what is meant by t? So we can say t is the time of flight. So what is meant by time of flight? Time of flight means the total time taken for the particle for the whole journey. So time of flight is the total time taken for the particle for the whole journey of the projection. Okay, journey of projection. So I hope that you have got it clear. So now at first let us resolve horizontally. So if we resolve horizontally, we'll get d is equals to dt. So we're gonna use this equation, this motion equation, for finding the horizontal displacement. So where d is the horizontal displacement. Okay, so why we gonna use this motion equation? That's because velocity is constant. All right, so the velocity is constant, so that's why we are using this equation. Why velocity is constant? That's because there is no force on the horizontal direction. There is no force on the horizontal direction. Okay, so that's why the velocity is constant. Since there is no force, so the velocity will be constant as it is. So d, here is the horizontal displacement, which is x in other words, and we also know v, which is u cos alpha, which is also 21 cos alpha. So let us write this one, 21 cos alpha, and t is the time of flight, t. So now let us make t the subject. T is equals to x divided by 21 cos alpha. So we have made the t the subject. I hope that you have understood. Okay, so let us name this as equation 1. So we have found one equation by resolving horizontally. So So now let us resolve vertically. Okay, so now let us resolve vertically. So we need to take one of the direction as positive. I am taking upward as positive. You may take downward as positive. Taking up as positive. Okay, you may take down as positive. It's up to yourself. Now let us do some Chemaddcts calculation. All right. Where S is the vertical displacement, U is the vertical component of initial velocity, where V is the final velocity, A is the gravitational acceleration, and T is the time of flight. Okay, so the vertical component of displacement is S here. So we're gonna use the vertical component of displacement, which is Y, U, which is 21 sine alpha, which we have found earlier. Here we will use the vertical component of velocity here. Okay, since we are resolving vertically, we don't know V, so we don't bother about V. Now we gonna find acceleration, which is minus 9.8, where T is time of flight, which is the total time of flight is T, capital letter T. Okay, so we gonna select a suitable equation by using these values given here. Okay, so the suitable equation is S equals to ut plus half at square. So here S is y, u here is 21 sine alpha, t plus half minus 9 t square. Okay, now let us substitute the value of t here. No, at first let us simplify this further. Okay, then we will substitute the value of t. If we simplify this thing, we will get as minus 4.90 square. Now substituting equation 1 here. Okay, substituting the value of t that we have found earlier, this equation. Okay, so we'll get it as 21 sine alpha we are substituting t. Okay, 21 cos alpha. Four point nine x by 21 cos alpha whole square. Okay, now let us simplify this thing, which we will get as sine alpha by cos alpha minus 4.9 x square by 21 whole square. We are just squaring this thing up, nothing else, nothing new. Okay, so we'll get as cos square alpha, 1 by cos square alpha. Okay, so let us simplify this thing. Sin alpha by cos alpha, sorry this is not minus, okay, minus this whole thing. If we simplify this thing, this is not 1 to 1, this is 21 whole square. Okay, don't get it wrong, this is 21 whole square. Let me correct this up. Don't get me wrong, okay, my handwriting is really bad, really sorry for that. This is 21 whole square. So if we simplify this, we will get as x square by 90. You may use your calculator. Okay, so this is the expression that we have get. So now what we gonna do, we gonna arrange in such a way so that this becomes this thing. Okay, so what we have here we have tan alpha and we have cos square alpha. So let us think. Okay, so if you have remembered, we can write tan alpha as sin alpha by cos alpha. Okay, so writing tan alpha is equals to sin alpha by cos alpha. Okay, then what we gonna get is y is equals to x tan alpha minus x square 90 cos square alpha. So this is how we gonna solve this. Okay, so this is the answer. The thing is that we just gonna substitute this value here, then we gonna find this equation. I hope that you have get it clear, you have understood this solution. I hope that you have understood the question as well as the answer. Okay, so if we have any question regarding this solution, please let me know in the comment section. So I'll be waiting for your feedback. Okay, well, that's the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks a lot, it means a lot to me, fellas. Thanks for supporting me, fellas. I'm really glad that you have watched till the end and watching this thing right now. I can't believe that you have watched till this end, and and you have come to this point. Thanks a lot, and I'm really appreciating for you fellas. Well, is there any part of this lesson that I have missed or you don't understand? If yes, then let me know in the comment section. Please write something in the comment section. Okay, and I am always there to help you fellas, because I make video for you only fellas, because my videos are only dedicated to you fellas, and I make only videos for you fellas. Okay, so and also please give your feedback for this video, whether this video was helpful for you or not. Okay, and I'll be waiting for your feedback. Okay, and tell me about this video tutorial, and this would be very helpful for me, and it is very important for me for the next video tutorial. How am I supposed to make next video tutorial? Relies on this feedback. So it is very important for me about the feedback. Okay. Well fellas, here is the free courses only for you fellas. You can click here to grab them. It's completely free for you fellas, and I only make videos for you only fellas. Okay, so it's completely free only for you fellas. If you want fellas, you may become a part of our team by clicking this button to stay updated. Okay, so why not become a fellas? So by clicking this button, you will become our fellas and be the part of our team. Okay, we will be making more video tutorials later on, and we will update regularly in our channel. We will update our channel regularly. Okay, so stay tuned and best of luck.